Hey everyone! Today we're bringing this beautiful flower to life using only markers. Watch how each petal pops with color and flows smoothly across the page. It's not just art, it's therapy, right? So calm, so satisfying. You won't believe how relaxing this process feels until you try it yourself. Would you color this flower a different way? Let me know in the comments. Drop a flower emoji if you love floral art. Take care and happy creating.